Today I'm going to be unboxing this thing right here, which is the iPad 7th generation Wi-Fi, and it's 32 gigabytes. So let's get to the unboxing. Hey guys, what's up? It is your boy Lavon Case, and as you can see here, I'm going to be unboxing my new iPad, which is the 7th generation, which just came out, sometime back in spring 2019, as you can see here. So as you can see, mine is, gold. Let's see if I can shake it. Shake it out. Shake it out, man. Let's shake this. Alright, there we go. As you can see here, that's the iPad itself. As you can see, that's the lightning to USB cable. That's the USB, power adapter, as you can see here. And this is pretty much, quick start guide, comes with stickers and all that other stuff. So, yeah, that's pretty much it with the unboxing. I'm going to be probably making a first impression video of my iPad in about 2 weeks. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace. See you guys later. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.